is Vasi. How do you pronounce your name, bro?
Vasi.
Vasi Karan?
Vasi Karan wanna be a MMA fighter.
Wow. Once again, I'm Mark Anthony Magtahas, and
I am
I'm
Vasi
with
Karan. Maybe
Karan.
my name is like similar Russian name, Vasil. Vasi Karan. You can pronounce it. Yeah, my name is more common in Russia, like Donald or Jack or something like common name.
So you have a Russian name.
No, I don't know. Maybe my parents were Russian. Maybe past life. I don't know, but that's an authentic Indian name. But there's a same name. I don't know the meaning for that, but it's like a more common name in Russia. But my name in my country, my name is like very like rare. Only like handful of people has my name.
I see. So it's
Yeah.
not Indian.
I mean, my name is
Indianish.
Indian spelling, but the same there is a word in Russian, the same spelling, but there is a
Oh, I
Russian
see.
meaning.
Maybe it's common in Russia.
Yeah,
But
I
not
find
in
it like
India.
it's like wait, my name's like for example, if Mark is not a English name,
Yeah.
if there is a Filipino name for you, and then there is like another country in German or somewhere, they have the same name, same spelling, but a different meaning.
I see.
And then the name is more common name. You know, if you have a Filipino name, maybe you can understand a lot.
Yes, I am.
That's something like I find it crazy. You know, I imagine this black guy with a white name.
Yeah.
I'm not black. I'm like Indian black.
Can you tell them, to our viewers, why you're here in Philippines?
Why there are too many Indians in the Philippines?
Yes.
That has to be the question.
Not just you.
Especially like studying med school. Maybe so. The reason is simple. The med schools are highly competitive in India. It's like for 30,000 seats overall India.
Wow.
Maybe like a million people try to take the board exam, crack the exam to get enter into med school. So the ratio is very small to get entry into med school in India. So if you have enough money and then you still have the passion to study med or interested in studying med, you can go out of India to countries like Russia, China, Philippines, and Ukraine. At first, to be honest with you, Philippines was my less priority or the option, least option, because my senior friend was in Russia. I was planning to go to Russia, and
Wow.
then I accidentally ended up in Philippines. But the good thing staying here in Philippines is everything is friendly, everything is fine, nice, acceptable. Everything is fine. If I was in Russia, things would have been different. And then even my relative, I don't know, I never seen her, but she's like a long distance relative. She's in Ukraine, but there's like a problem happening in Ukraine. I don't know, like a civil war in Ukraine. But comparing here, like imagine if I was in Russia or Ukraine, I might have been in between a war. Now
Yeah.
I'm here in Philippines, which is super safe.
So you're grateful.
Yeah,
That you're here in
lucky.
Philippines.
I'm lucky that I'm here.
And bro, speaking of Filipinos are being so accepting
Ah.
to foreign people, do you know the fact that Filipinos have this connotation that Indians are like Bombay, 5'6", like that? Have you heard about that, or was that introduced to you
my
before?
God. This thing is super funny. Sometimes, like when rural Filipino, they think like I don't, maybe I don't look like a student. I don't know. They think like, oh, you do 5'6" or stuff. They used to ask me back then when I was in Ilocos, because they think like we all people have money and then we all people like do this 5'6". I don't like to do this, and then and then I'm a student as well. Why am I going to do 5'6"? And then while I'm here to study. Besides, I'm really broke at the moment. Like I don't even have like 200 peso at my pocket. The last money I have is only 120. So I have to wait for my parents maybe for a couple of days, and they are the one has to send me. No problem for the food, so still I will get food outside. but it is what it is. Like we are just studying here. Some
You're just
people are.
studying.
I mean, half the students here are okay. Half are like crazy.
And it's fine.
On these things, but. Not everybody is bad. I think that's the only statement I can give it to you guys.
But you can actually try to start a business, 5-6 business. No, just for fun.
Exactly.
It's actually prohibited, I believe.
No, yeah,
it's approved.
it is. But I'm not that smart to do 5-6, and
Yeah.
then I'm not that cruel to give money from me. I give you 5, give me 6. Like I will be like, I give you 5, at least give me 4. That's my mentality. Like I'm far from not getting harsh towards the people. That's not my thing.
And
Maybe-
many of you will become a doctor, will become doctors in the future. This
I
thing.
mean, the good thing here is it is like a business happening here in the Philippines. It's like Filipino schools are accepting students more from India and Thai and Nigeria, like that. It's a business for them. Like it's a business for the government. It's a good business for the school. It's a revenue for the like condo or
Yeah.
dormitories. Like they can charge double the fee. Still, people are ready to pay. So
Because you have no choice.
yes, so it's like a development in the entire economy, even from the flight
correct.
tickets, flight charges, and then
And all.
yeah,
Everything follows.
yes, it's a win-win for the Philippines. Overall, even if you hate some Indians or maybe all Indians, still you are winning in a way. So you are winning and you are hating at the same time. I guess people mindset has to change, and then if maybe people should not stereotype anybody. Like okay, good and bad people are everywhere. Okay, let's accept good things and stay away from the bad one. I think
How about the food?
food
Food here in the Philippines.
I can say really sorry if any Filipino watching here.
That's fine.
Filipino food is really awful.
Oh.
For me, lechon okay. I will not for me sisig is the best. Chicken sisig, pork sisig, beef sisig. Sisig is number 1.
Wow.
Barbecue,
Fine.
okay. Lechon, okay. Other than that, I can see like the food is not prepared. For me, I don't like too much meat there.
Oh.
So it's not good for my teeth because I have more space. if I
Really?
eat too much meat, like it will stuck.
So you prefer vegetables like that?
No, I prefer meat, but not too much.
Not too much.
Like the fleshy part, no.
Not the hard
Yeah.
meat.
Because I don't like it. And then I can see like Jollibee is everywhere. Jollibee, always Jollibee number 1, Jollibee spaghetti, Jollibee rice, chicken. No, for me, still here in the Philippines, McDonald's or KFC, even Chowking is much better when
Oh.
the crispy chicken. For me, out of 4, Chowking crispy chicken is number 1. KFC or McDonald's number 2 or 3, Jollibee number 4. I mean, 2, 3, 4 all look similar. Maybe 1 or 2 grades more or less.
Try this lechon. Sisig.
Sisig is the number 1, barbecue is number 2, and then like number 3
The
is
lechon.
lechon. And then I like the mungo dal, and then the cucumber stuff. Sorry, I forgot to mention. Number 2 is talong. My favorite is eggplant. I really like the talong. Like I can eat
Fried talong or
the fried one. And
Yeah.
then one more, pinay pie. See, I forgot a lot.
the banana.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pinay pie, talong, number 2 and number 3. I actually told my mom how to cook. I think I showed her a video how to cook pinay pie because I used to eat a lot, but I think she didn't try. maybe like after
very-
going home for good, I think probably I will try to watch YouTube
To
video
cook.
and then how to cook pinay pie and sisig. Sisig is one of my favorite, all-time favorite, because it's like when we drink beer, I think that's the right combo. Drinking beer, sisig is good.
Yeah.
I think okay, maybe as I mentioned,
Do you-
food like that's why Jollibee pop up in my mind. Like Jollibee food is like Nah, nah, nah.
Too common for you? You mean very common,
I think I say like,
overrated like that?
yeah, I said maybe I might be wrong. It's like not up to the elite, like top level. Jollibee is like the best. I will disagree, kind of disagree. Mm, but one more thing about the food, like I really like the fact like we can share the food, like for example, you and me eating together, and then there is another guy. If the food is extra, I can see like people go and give to the random guy, like, hey, will you eat this? I find it like more fascinating. If I think in any other country this will be disrespectful because like 6 7 months before, I think me our friends were eating in the downstairs. We had one ate. Like we cook a lot. It's like a small fiesta, and then like we had like an extra like a cabbage soup, and then there was like 5 or 6 girls, couple of tables apart. They were like eating, and then our ate, when she just went there like, hey ladies, like we have extra, will you take it? And then they didn't say anything. They said okay, no problem. Which is like, we don't know who they are, we don't know their name, we don't know how long they are in our place, but still people were like, okay, no problem, I get the food. But I think in any other country this thing is like very disrespectful, like, so hey, you are giving me the food that you wasted. Am I a trash, or am I a poor, blah blah blah? I think this part is like very respectful. I started to accept this thing, like I accept this
Culture.
It's not a culture. Culture, I think, is, how can I mention?
What you call this?
It's like a common sense. I think more than a culture. Culture is different from a common
Yeah.
sense. So I like this thing, which is okay. Maybe if a Filipino, if I meet anywhere in the world again, so when they give me food,
The
like
practice.
I'm going to accept it because they give it as a friendly, not disrespecting us or valuing us lower. Just like, hey, I'm giving you my cheap food to you, just eat. Not like that. It's like,
The deeds.
yeah, they're giving wholeheartedly.
So you prefer giving food to others?
Yeah, I mean, I
Yeah.
will, maybe it depends on the person on the receiving end.
Mm.
If it is in a Filipino, no problem, I can give it to him
Yeah.
because they used to do it to me, so I'm doing
Yes.
it on a reverse. Again, one more, thinking about the food. I really like the beer pricing or liquor pricing in the Philippines. I find it more cheaper in comparing to my
Oh,
country. For
the
example,
prices.
if I'm going to buy like 1 liter beer in India, it's roughly going to be like 200 peso.
Really?
Yeah, more than 200, like 1 liter. Sorry, maybe 250 plus.
Maybe that means in India they are not really
No,
so
no, no.
much open to,
People drink a lot, but the liquor price.
even it's very pricey.
Yeah, the liquor pricing is too much. Like as I mentioned, 1 liter beer is like 250 plus.
Oh.
I mean, for a third world country, still it is a lot.
Yeah.
Like, because here I can buy like 1 liter, 110 if in Shell or 7-Eleven.
Yes.
That is like, wow, okay, I can drink a lot. And then we don't have 1 liter beers. It's like only 750 ml.
Yeah.
And then 350, 750, or maybe 330, 750, or 330, 500, 750. That is like, okay, I really like it. And then in the bar, like I really like the bar setup. In my state in India, there is no actual proper bar. The bar is it's run by only government. There is no private bars.
Really?
Yeah, then even the bar setup will be like super cheap. If you want to have like a proper bar setup in India, you have to go to a high class restaurant to enjoy the thing. But most of all, the bars will be like super cheap, like a street food shop selling liquors. Like, see, it will look very cheap.
So just watch out the part 2, part 3, and more.
4, 5, 6, whatever.
Yeah, there will be more of Vasi.
Whatever.
So that will be all. I'm sure you subscribed the channel already, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, please do.